Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and this is a writing question that is asking us to consider the best way to word the underlined portion of a given statement in a passage. The best way to approach this problem is to simply consider the statement apart from the passage itself. And since we know it's a writing question, that way we can go ahead and save some time. So let's go ahead and do that together. The strength of the family was, in essence, that of the state, or as Confucius put it, the root of humanity. Well, the problem here is what it is referring to. And the default for what it refers to is the subject immediately before it. And um, if we keep the logic of the sentence, the subject it would be referring to then would be the state, or the strength of the state, actually, sorry. Um, and that's not what we're talking about. Rather than talking about the strength of the state, we're talking about the strength of the family. So it here doesn't really get at what we're talking about. For option B, was in essence that of the state, which is why Confucius called the family the root of humanity. Well, here, instead of saying it, we are talking specifically about what Confucius is referring to, the family. So this is why this is the right answer. But let's go ahead and consider the next two answer choices. Belong to the state, hence Confucius called it. Well, again, what is it? Are we talking about the state? Um, and this time, we're not even considering the fact that we're talking about the strength. So, the strength of the state or of the family. So that doesn't make sense. And this last one, the strength of the family was essentially the state's, as in Confucius's phrase, the root of humanity. Well, the root of humanity isn't, so as here is making a comparison, the root of humanity doesn't resemble the previous idea that the strength of the family was the same as the states. So that doesn't make sense. This is a false comparison. So that's why that doesn't make sense. I hope that helps to explain why B is the best option. Happy prepping.